Hi everyone, today on Ruwac Quick Tips we'll be installing a 32-inch floor tool onto a Red Line machine. Just tilt the machine right back on its dustpan. Grab a Phillips head screwdriver, pop these black plugs out. Grab your bracket and your hardware. The first one's real tricky to get on. You got a lot to hold. So I'm going to recommend just throwing one without the washers. That's going to hold everything in place for you. For the rest of them, we're going to go fender washer, lock washer, nut. Once you get them all on there, we'll go back to the first one and we'll put the washers on there. Well, for the sake of the video, we'll leave it like that. Go ahead and tighten these up. You don't have to go crazy with them. Alright, excellent. Flip the machine over, grab the H bracket. Alright, here's a perfect opportunity. The H bracket doesn't fit. These deflect a little bit because we're putting a flat surface on the radius. Don't be afraid to just give them a little help. Make that H bracket fit. Now that that's installed, we'll grab the floor tool. And that clicks in the same way. Grab your hose, install it into the button lock. Give it a nice tug to make sure it's installed properly. This is your squeegee here. We can adjust the height of the squeegee to suit your needs for your floor. Get the optimum use out of that squeegee. Make sure you reinstall your filter, or sorry, your dustpan, and now you're ready to use your floor tool.